Thought it'd be good to show y'all guys a little bit of life. When I was done unloading, I saw these school of ducks, so I thought I'd catch this. Looks pretty good. Anyway, we are in mid inspection for the trucks. So I'm here in Lake City at the terminal. It's been a while since I've been here, since I had graduated. Coming to get my truck cleaned up. So y'all can get to see a little bit how that's done for those who don't know how it is. Y'all can see the details on the truck. It is like really dirty. I have not gotten this truck clean for about a good 2-3 months. So usually the first time I did this, I mean, with the water gun, the grime and stuff was able to just slide off. Now most of it just stays on the truck. That just shows you how long it's been. So I had to do a little bit more work on it between using the water gun and scrubbing and getting a rag and wiping it down. Bugs all in the grill, bugs attached to the mirrors and all that. So it really took a lot of work, to the point, I mean, I really had to eventually take off the shirt and stay in the tank top because it was getting hot in there, and I really did not expect to be in there for so long. But literally, that's how dirty the truck was. Now at this point, I don't know if I have put this in one of my other videos, but my blinker sidelight marker light with the multifunction is not working. When you turn the headlights, the whole trail's supposed to be lit at night. I had a mechanic that worked on my truck in Georgia. He messed up something. Ever since then, I've been trying to get mechanics to fix the issue. They could not figure out what the problem was. So me, being uncomfortable with the situation, I had came up with the plan after seeing YouTube videos that, again, I think the issue could possibly be the electrical wire. So the next following morning, I had another mechanic check it again, and he finally sees that all the prongs in the electrical wire has been blown, and something in the fuse box again has been blown, even though the previous mechanic said everything was perfectly fine, which I knew everything wasn't perfectly fine, because when I first had this truck, it operated differently than it operates now. So after I got it checked out, there was some green lights on the prongs, if you had seen the black thing attached to my electrical wire. So I told him to go hook up to a trailer, and yes, boom, I got that fixed. Thank God, I needed that. Anyway, hooked up to the trailer. Now I'm finna go see that it's working. If it's working, that's great, because I'm not trying to get bothered by DOT officers anymore. And boom, look at that. Gold is working. No more driving at night with a dark trailer. No, I was not going to sit there and take that chance thinking that, oh, okay, this is okay to do. It's not okay to be rotten, without these lights working. I don't have no wire to be sticking inside the electrical socket. I don't have all those alternatives. So, the only thing I got left is to get a professional to do their job. You know what I'm saying? If they can't figure it out, your job is to figure it out. And I figured it out after watching videos of other truckers explain their situations. So again, I just had to get somebody to fix it because a lot of them kept thinking it was automatically just the fuse box and the fuse box only. When if the fuse box looks like, oh, it's okay, there's something else that's got to be wrong. Because again, if things worked a certain kind of way when you first got the truck, it needs to be operating like that all the way to the end. After all the work is done, now I'm just chilling and relaxing until I get some more work on the workflow and get back on the road. That's my damn day. Mm-mm.